So here today we are going to learn how to use the VS Code in our phone. We all know the VS Code is built for laptops and computers, but if we want to use that in our phone, so then I need a terminal where I can install that and I use. So here getting a terminal, search on YouTube how to install Termux in phone, and you will get a video. Using that video you will be able to download a Termux, which is a terminal, and open that. After opening, run these three command, and after this you will be able to use VS Code in your phone. First run these three command, and in the last for run the VS Code in your browser, just type code server, and after open your browser and search in that localhost 8080. So hey, here you need a password to login in code server. So just copy this text here to here and open your termux and new section in you have to type nano and paste that text here and hit enter. After it you will get your password, and just copy it and paste here and click on submit, and you will able to log in code server, and you will be able to use VS Code in your phone. To edit the some code, click on open folder and tap on OK. After reloading you will get here your files, and you can create here new file and edit that, and you can also code here. But here is a problem, you can't install more extension here. So I'm going to solve this problem in next video, and video link in description, you can see that and you can solve this problem.